Hey guys, Trey here with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're checking out the Sequential Chase LED third brake light with a smoked lens for the 2014 and 2018 Silverado 1500s. If you're looking to upgrade the visibility, style, and safety of your truck, this light is a solid option. It's going to be great for Silverado owners who want to add a custom modern touch to their truck's rear lighting while enhancing road visibility with sequential lighting. Alright, so this third brake light has several standout features, beginning with its sequential chase function. Unlike standard third brake lights, this one has an eye-catching light-up sequence that improves visibility, ensuring others see you on the road and notice you when you brake. The light includes powerful LEDs that provide a bright, clean light output, helping in low visibility conditions for both safety and style. The smoked lens adds a darker, sleek look that complements blacked out or dark themed truck builds without affecting that light output. This light also is designed to fit seamlessly in your Silverado's factory third brake light spot, so it doesn't look bulky or out of place. Constructed from high-quality poly and ABS composite, this third brake light has a durable smoked lens that's UV and weather resistant, making sure it will last without fading or cracking. The LEDs inside this light are energy efficient and designed to last longer than traditional bulbs, reducing on maintenance and the need to replace the bulbs over time. Now, as far as pricing goes on this third brake light, it's going to come in that lower $100 range. So for the features and the unique sequencing function, this third brake light offers some solid value. Now this third brake light is going to be very straightforward to install. It's going to be rated to only a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter and should take you an hour or less to finish the job. It's a plug and play setup utilizing factory mounting points and connectors, so no additional wiring or modifications are required. Now let's check out exactly how this is going to go on your truck with the install video from one of our AmericanTrucks.com customers.
Today we're going to go ahead and install the third brake light on my 2018 Chevy Silverado. For this install today, you're going to want a Torx T20. And you're also going to want to go ahead and do some isopropylene alcohol. And this is strictly just to go ahead and clean the mating surfaces, get the old residue and sticky stuff off of the mounting surface from the factory OEM gasket. Alright guys, getting into the install. Like I mentioned, we'll go ahead and take our Torx 20 and go ahead and remove the factory screws on your OEM third brake light. Those. And then, with a little bit of pressure, go ahead and pop that out. Now, once you pop that out, take a second to admire the OEM gasket as compared to the aftermarket gasket on your new third brake light. Build quality is outstanding on the new product, not so great on an OEM product here. Now to remove that, it's got this little tab here. You're going to firmly press that while pulling away, and it'll come out clean. Go ahead and set that to the side. Now we'll grab our bottle of isopropylene alcohol, and just take a little bit, and we'll go ahead and clean up the mating surface where our new gasket will lay. We don't want any foreign debris on it. We want to make sure we get a nice clean mate on that gasket and the surface. Don't want any leaks. Now once you get that done, go ahead and grab our rubber gasket garments for your screws. You go ahead and place those on your screws. You put one on, and you'll slowly work that garment on. Slowly work it on. You do that for both. Both of them, like I said, you just slowly work them on, give them a little wiggle, and they'll go right on. Once those are on, your screws, you will take your new unit, and just like I mentioned earlier, it is in fact plug and play. So you'll take your OEM cord and your new third brake light cord, and tab facing up, go until you hear a click. Good. We'll go ahead and nice and neatly tuck your cords so that way they don't go flopping around. Tuck your cords. Now, if you look on the back of the unit, there are these dowels, exactly like your OEM unit. And the dowels will fit up with the holes, and right below that is our screws. So we'll go ahead and line up the dowels, fit the unit in, and just like that, the unit is mocked up. We will take our screw with our rubber garment that we just installed, and we just want them just to start. We just want to start them. Once we got those started, once you got them started, go ahead and align it. Once you got it aligned, go ahead and put a little bit of firm pressure in the middle of your light, and slowly work your way back from one side to the other. Nice and neatly and orderly, compressing your new gasket on your new brake light. A nice seal. And you're just going until you see that gasket compress. Once it compresses, that's it. That's enough. You have a seal. Give it a couple of pushes. And that's it, guys. Install done.
All right, that's gonna wrap things up for our review and install of the Sequential Chase LED third brake light with a smoked lens for the 2014 to 2018 Silverado 1500s. And for all things Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.